Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted Windows files fast with SFC Scannow. So let's begin. So if you're not aware of what this command is, SFC Scannow is a command that scans and repairs corrupted system files. It helps fix issues like crashes, errors, and missing features in your Windows 10 or 11. So, in order to get this done, click over here on the Windows Start button, type in CMD, command prompt, and make sure to run this as the administrator. So, once there, just type SFC scan now. And if you don't have any experience with this, don't worry. This won't really harm your computer at all. If you're afraid of seeing this black and somehow very basic text, don't worry. You can just go ahead, click enter, and it will scan your computer for any potential uh, corrupted files. And they will automatically fix anything if they are able to found anything though. But if not, then that means your computer is good to go. But it's if your computer is still crashing, then most likely that's a different culprit. Most likely faulty drivers or RAMs. Try to look into that. But yes, in this using this SFC scan now, this will fix most of blue screen of death errors that you will encounter, random crashes, I mean, lots of errors, like not one consistent error, but different messages and errors that you will encounter in your PC, and some features that are constantly missing, like Windows in here. You won't be able to access this, or sometimes when you're browsing your folders, some features are not like clickable. So run this and it will fix most of those most of those issues. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.